If you're using Spocket for dropshipping or thinking about it, it's important to understand how their refund policy works because it's not the same as buying from Amazon or a regular store. Spocket doesn't handle the refunds themselves. Instead, each supplier on the platform sets their own refund and return rules. So it depends on who you're sourcing the product from. In general, Spocket suppliers only offer refunds for certain situations, like if the item arrives damaged, is never delivered, or is completely different from what was described. You'll usually need to provide photo or video proof within a certain time window, often around 15 to 30 days from delivery. That means you'll have to move quickly and make sure your customer sends you enough evidence to pass it on to the supplier. Spocket itself won't cover refunds for things like buyer's remorse, late shipping due to customs, or if the customer just changed their mind. So it's your responsibility as the store owner to communicate your policy clearly on your website and set expectations up front. To request a refund, you'll go through Spocket's support dashboard, select the order, explain the issue, and attach proof. Spocket's teams will then reach out to the supplier and act as a middleman to resolve it. It's not instant, but it's handled professionally. So if you provide the right details in the documentation, if this breakdown helped you understand Spocket's refund policy, hit like, subscribe for more dropshipping help, and drop a comment if you have had any refund situations with Spocket. We can go through them together.